Dear students of class 10th science, we will discuss the last topic of life process chapter, that is excretion. The metabolic activities in the body generates many kind of wastes or many kind of waste. So it is a process in which wastes are removed from our body. Please note down the definition of excretion. After that, we will discuss about excretory system. Let me talk about human excretory system. Firstly, we talk about kidney. It filters the blood and remove waste. Second is ureters. It drain out urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Next is urinary bladder. It stores the urine. Next one is urethra. Transmit urine from outside the body. And one important organ, kidney have a filtration unit called nephrons. Please note down the definition. Next is nephron. What is nephron? Nephrons are filtration unit of kidney. It consists of a tube which is connected to duct and a cup shaped structure that is Bowman's capsule. So what is Bowman's capsule? Let me talk about Bowman's capsule. It filters blood and collect urine. After that, an important term, that is Henle's loop. Reabsorption of glucose, amino acid and water. Then urine enters into ureter through ducts and collected in urinary bladder. Collected in urinary bladder. Please note down. So we talk about last topic of this chapter, excretion in plants. So first point is plants remove oxygen through stomata. Second, excess water removed through stomata by transpiration. Plants also lose some old leaves and barks. Please note down. Firstly, we discussed about excretion definition. The metabolic activities in the body generates many kind of waste. It is process in which wastes are removed from our body. So, human excretory system, kidney, it filters the blood and remove wastes. Second, ureters, it drain out urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Third one, urinary bladder, it stores the urine. Next one, urethra, transmit urine from the outside the body or remove from our human body. And last, kidney have a filtration unit and called nephron. So we completed human excretory system, but some important terms are remaining in human excretory system. Let's talk about in the next page about nephrons. So nephrons are filtration unit of kidney. It consists of a tube which is connected to duct and a cape-shaped structure, that is Bowman capsule. Now next, what about Bowman's capsule? What is the specific definition of Bowman's capsule? So it filters blood and urine. Next, Henle's tube, reabsorption of glucose, amino acid and water. Then urine enters into ureter through ducts and collected into urinary bladder. After that, we'll talk about the last topic of this chapter, life process, excretion in plants, because excretion is the last process of this chapter. Plants remove oxygen through stomata. Next, excess water removed through stomata by transpiration process. We will discuss in difference between xylem and phloem. And last point, plants also lose some old leaves and barks. So our chapter is completed here now. Uh, Please watch this video peacefully and carefully. Next chapter will be discussed in our next video lecture. So please keep watching this video peacefully and carefully. We will meet in the next lecture. So our two chapters are completed. First is chemical reaction equation, chemistry, acid base salt, and bio. Life process completed. Fourth chapter is starting next video lecture. The chapter from biology section. After that, we will move the physics section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet in the next video lecture. Thank you.